Hello friends, this is part 2 of the series describing yourselves and objects in Kashmiri. In this lesson, we will focus on those sentences in which we have to use the number of objects while describing them. For example, these are two houses. Yim ch z makan. These are three cups. Yim ch tre pyal. These are 15 oranges. Yim ch pandah sangtar. These are 7 rivers. Yim ch sat daryav. Let's recap. Yim ch z makan. Yim ch tre pyal. Yim ch pandah sangtar. And Yim ch sat daryav. Now, in all these 4 examples, what is common in the Kashmiri sentences? Yim ch. Yim ch. Remember, we will use yim ch whenever using masculine nouns in the sentence. So, pyal, makan, sangtar and daryav all are masculine nouns. In case we are using feminine nouns, yim ch is replaced by yim che. Yim che. For example, yim che zor kitab. Kitab, which is books in Kashmiri, is a feminine noun. So we are saying yim che zor kitab. That was it in this lesson. We will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.